Autostarke is a state-of-the-art, all-inclusive, comprehensive solution provider for all your automotive requirements. At Autostarke, we're equipped with the latest technology, expertise, and certified manpower to modernize and transform all premium vehicles with undivided care and focused attention. We have acquired a phenomenal reputation in the region with over hundreds of happy customers who would undisputedly vouch for our quality of service, cost, and customer experience. We are delighted to be the first choice for many automotive enthusiasts across Pan-India, as we offer a comprehensive range of high-quality services under one roof, which include multi-brand premium car service and repairs. For instance, services such as oil change and lube service, mechanical repairs, electrical repairs, wheel alignment and balancing, AC repairs and gas charging, scanning diagnostics and troubleshooting. Multi-brand body and paint shop, which include services like custom paint solutions, accident repair, insurance claim processing, car care detailing, which include services like car wash, car polishing, ceramic coating, underbody coating, interior enrichment, leather and fabric protection, paint correction, and paint protection. Used cars, which include trade-ins, park and sell. The best part? We perform a comprehensive 203 checkpoint evaluation at Autostarke to ensure that we take in cars with the best quality. Customization and restyling. We can customize your car, whether they are external or internal modifications, and in the areas of performance. External customization and restyling, automated sidestep installation, body kits and grills, facelift kits, sunroof installation, body wrapping, alloy wheels. Internal customization and restyling, customized seat works, full interior color change, hydro dipping, interior lighting, door pads and roof customization, performance customization, ECU remaps, tuning boxes, suspension upgrades, exhaust systems, performance brakes, and finally, insurance renewals. At Autostarke, a car companion is assigned to our customers as a single point of contact for their convenience throughout the life of their car. This makes it effortless for our customers, as they would have one single reliable point of contact who would serve and coordinate all their automotive needs. Because at Autostarke, we believe in customer delight. Our team of experts takes pride in the unparalleled quality of services we provide. We actively engage with our customers and educate them on how they can customize their car best, be it in the areas of performance, comfort, interior luxury, or exterior styling based on their budgets. The search for a reliable, high-grade automotive maintenance destination ends here at Autostarke. Come, visit us with your ride. Autostarke. We know what's best for your car.